The World Cup is still underway and South Africa has got one more game left in their group stages. This group and this game that is coming up is a do or die for Bafana Bafana. They have to win by any means. Do they have what it takes to win? Will we have the sufficient players to actually make sure that we go through to the next round? Hello guys, this is the Junior Khanye TV and the episode is brought to you by World Sports Betting, #WSB, #Bet with the best. I've got the dynamic duo from Davidton. On my left, I've got Junior Khanye. On the right, I've got Michael Zizo Nkambule. Gents, how are you doing?
Enhlanhla kunjani mfethu?
Ngigrand wena?
Mina ngi-right.
Zizo.
Ngikuhlekelela.
Kunjani?
Ngisha.
Hey, anisafudumelanga gents.
It's warm.
Hayi ni warm ngiyanibona. Is South Africa warm as well? Michael, let me start with you. Let's actually start ijeni yonke kahle kahle. You know, South Africa Bafana Bafana in the World Cup. In 1998, Bafana Bafana qualified with Clive Barker. And when they qualified for that World Cup, he was not the coach when we played in the World Cup. In 2002, we qualified again. The same coach that qualified Bafana Bafana was not the coach that played with Bafana Bafana. The interim coach was selected as Ucho Mosono that takes them there. Now we qualified again in 2006. In 2010. We didn't qualify in 2006, but we qualified in 2010. We qualified with a different coach, and Carlos Alberto Pereira is the coach that made sure that we played in the World Cup. Here we are again for the first time in that history where we have a coach, a qualifier Bafana Bafana, and is actually playing with Bafana Bafana in the World Cup. What are our chances now that this history possibly can be rewritten?
Mina Nhlanhla into engayisho kuleyo Nhlanhla kuleyo jeni and is proved lento leyo ukuthi like sometimes I believe ukuthi mina icoach whoever coachile from a qualifier mela qhubeke nomsebenzi wakhe kwezinye like ukuthi umuntu waqedelele like that project aqale nayo, understand. It's the same like njengamanje like Snow Hugo Bruce the first coach ukuthi ya qualify bese
adlale nathi
World Cup, but ucoach Hugo Bruce I think man njoba ngisho Nhlanhla into engihlala ngikhala ngayo I think bekumele yenze better. Because as a coach you've been with this team since from a qualifier, since from previous two AFCONs.
True.
We've got that crop of players. You know what team yakho like how capable is it in terms of ukudlala ukuthi like ama strength wawo nama weakness, you know very well. And then we just start to see the World Cup, and then World Cup he become a coach again, but into esicakile Nhlanhla man ngendlela endlile ngayo man that's the only thing is surprisingly ngayo. Yeah, because we wanted mhlambe ukuthi kube ne continuity, but azangisibe nalento leyo until la sikule situation eskiso manje. So ukuthi so skip ama calculate.
Fish. Back to where we don't want to go. Thabo.
Yeah, ithi uqale ukhulume ngehistory Nhlanhla yethu Bafana we qualified, you mentioned 2002. 2010 to correct you, we didn't qualify, we hosted.
We hosted, yeah.
Yeah man, it tells you must qualify sharp kule history besiphuma kuma group stages wonke.
Yeah.
Ilento engikhulume ngayo mina le quality. Yabo, not to say we don't have players. We're one of the best talented country. Brazil, us, Argentina. Yeah. Just that one is different ukuthi they take care of talent, they invest a lot in football. Yeah, if I can be honest with you Nhlanhla, football politics man yabo. In South Africa kule politics kakhulu ngizobuyela back kule nkulumo engikhulume last week yabo. Mina I don't mind to release a coach ukuthi qualifyile. Angithi umuntu uyozikhiphayo, umuntu uyozifakayo. You qualify njengamanje mina bengeke ngibe ne problem coach if bam release le njengama was one of the person bengithabayo
before singena ku World Cup.
Yeah, akuna problem.
And then bothi kungene bani in his
shoes. Upitso probably sidliwe ngecoach yethu Pitso Roland, take them both, take uPitso no Roland bavayibo ethu. Those are the majority of those players I think they understand those two coaches yabo. Ngoba Nhlanhla honestly mawukhuluma ngehistory leyo khuluma ngayo, I will be honest kuwe. Lama coach lawa ebewa qualifier which is kuBafana Bafana ahamba. There was nothing bezoyenza kuBafana Bafana, bekungeke kube nama changes. because the problem ayiqala kubafana like we said last week yabo problem iqala kuma club levels yabo now you go process I'm saying ukuthi bekumele hambe but bengana ama changes beyozoyenza amanye ama coach but kuleke obviously everybody bekane believe inhlanhla honestly speaking in Mexico I don't think they were the best compared to us yes I'm a host kunalento ye crowd ukuthi society lenu you are hosting yabo abachita kune nervousness kunabachita ababhala by first time enhle majority those players the first World Cup for them bekune nervousness nyana siphinde sinike mara kubuqale ngale lineup le yaqale ngayo ngale game le
yes to check
I'm sure maybe singaphuma ne draw la probably and then bengasilike hope so also ngisa question ne quality une talent la mfethu but yabona inhlanhla lento development ngisasho bayinyaza noma ngabe those coaches before in the history bebanga wa release a qualified we are not going to make it yabo sengisho winning the World Cup yes ungaphuma ngelucky mhlambe kuye kuma knockout bese ngaphuma because of natural talented players sinali talent but the nature ngendlela right and when you reach that level kulayivela khona ama answer ngoba inhlanhla mina I hear people siba ne hope ngawo le tournament sisukela sibe ne hope but those people they are ready when the squad esithatha ngenze example if you play South Koreans China do not better than us in terms of football but looking at Korea now le ngibukele 2002 namanje a totally different team. Koreans, they technically very good. They move the ball very quick, but intensity from the first whistle until the end. And not that talented. It tells you good development by Tata Seras. Nkumanga level World Cup, they can't do that to level World Cup. Good sugar from good development.
Yeah.
Bakula now. Nenyinto. Ukoneni lubona under 23 dlala.
Under 17.
Under 17 echala ngisho national team asike
sure.
Under 20 uqineni
so true.
Under 23 under 20 under 17 under 15 uqineni who's coaching there as well so Nhlanhla is the coach eksina side to believer is I philosophy nalama coaches wama juniors kune continuity nale squad ngenze example maswina if beyikhona under 17 lama player group of players azokwazi ukusuka wonke aye la mhlambe for instance under 17 izosuke kwa under 20 na football politics so ukuphendula Nhlanhla yes uyuko pros abantu abaningi angisho game is a game of opinion
true
mina bengifuna hambe anyway bengeswini World Cup noma ngabe uyabona truly speaking ukhona rakekho and namanye ama coach mawafika I think ama coach noma ngabe sidliwa besodliwa ngebrand of football lethu and starting 11 best they were going to be better than defending abantu abayi 8 7 so when you experimental into enza weske ngaye yabo so yiko ngithi mina noma ngabe uhambile kuna problem angina different mase kumele sicalculate siyenze for how long lento le calculate ipoint yami lele ngisho ukuthi how long as nature talent in a proper way kube bese Nhlanhla ngitshela ukuthi mina this boy Ovet boy ngifuna ubone lo mfana udlala ku Cape Town City I project school it's a pity when a session to only could just been given a chance akakadlali but I heard parents is monitoring him and I wish vela benabo really if you can have Ovet boy really pure talent with the proper development to really look at his age you really mina noma kune international anga perform that much he's still my favorite look at the age a room for improvement if you've got Mbogas how old is he development those James how old is he development those players in Kuma Umliba development Nhlanhla so now if ungaba nabo Umliba by 8 ube nabo Rila by 8 ube nabo Mbogas by 8 abo James by 8 Nhlanhla confirm something can come out uzophuma kula group stages angashaba uMorocco man abo Morocco babhekana nabo Brazil game ibe balance yabo because ucheck Morocco going ngicela wenze research ngabo they invested a lot in development development uMorocco ngakwenza next manje le investment they went back ukuthi lento ethu kusiwe we fake injuries we siyalwa so inabo no development Nhlanhla I football is thina siyalazi as uMichael udlalile Europe Michael you can tell ibola we are born with a natural talent ifuna ukunature right early age kuphumela ovalo yazi mawujwayela ukudlala kuma big stage I mean mawungabuza lama player lawa adlala iWorld Cup today junior international caps lapha nalo nto vital lama player ambile manje kithi uthola abanye abanawo ngikhuluma ngabo evident and then you go and meet us not to say they are not good but sesikhuluma nge junior international level bona labo World Cup because ungadelela lama tournament engathana amandla ama Olympic inhlanhla those tournament they prepare you psychologically and physically.
Talking about preparation, Junior, I think most of the teams that we saw, right, there was that week of arrival when different teams were arriving at the different camps, right? What we saw then was the state of readiness that came from different countries. We saw how they had been preparing before going into the World Cup. We saw Nabo Mabafika, they arrived on time, they arrived in the relative camps on time, they went in, they acclimatized, then Bafika, okay, so these are the conditions that we are going to be playing in. So what you're saying is that inkinga Bafana Bafana does not really lie with the coach, it doesn't lie with the players, but it lies behind the scenes of Bafana Bafana.
Yeah, true, right. Ipot ngoba njengoba ngisho amavisa ayenzwe nini isikhathi sanamthweni inhlanhla ezusho other team they were there already nenye into ama preparation wethu national team you go and play abo Panama yini akwaDwa le team le ngekho even I don't think this
asiyazi siqala kuyibona asazi
so the point here you go and meet Mexico not even this team near to Mexico now prepare now yabo rabo Korea
yes
yabo ene uplana ngeMexico kuphela ngiyazwe South Africa beplana ngeMexico kuphela bekusazodlala neKorea
bekusazodlala ne
Czech Republic so bemele prepare ngala country so thina shawe into eningi kakhulu ene nenye into nhlanhla njengoba ngisho kuwe isilimaza kakhulu mana ama players wethu mina ngiyabona ni wama coach angithi bengidala life ay ngacolisa ngisicoach abuye ko Prosman ezinye into ekumele bazilungise man when you check Mexico how they warm up yabo when you check our warm up ngicolisa nhlanhla ngisicoach mara ezinye izinto we been coached sifundisiwe man uyabona ukuthi uyiko process not a ball playing not ball believer coach ball playing believer coach let me put it akusumuntu believer ebholweni akuyiko process they believe in fitness into engiyinotisile defending priority yabo abantu abastrong and abantu abanjengabo real hayi kuzoba nzima ngoba no real momfaka uyambona ka believe kulo mfana kunzima nhlanhla kufana nawe teacher and then yasifundisa sonke eclassini uthi ujuni uzofail asikabhali you don't believe in me
and really it's bound to happen because you don't believe
in the boy. Play that boy mfethu coach angeke coach play the boy man like you believe emfaneni miyeke angithi ubelieve kwabanye bakuletha down libe abo ngiyenza uyaya how many times let the coach down but he believes in him so makubelieve umuntu even your child inhlanhla mangakholelwa kuyena uzobona ukuthi baba nomama I believe ithi leta lo uncono ke ngiyozenzela umathanda so inkinga yethu inkulu inhlanhla.
Yeah, let's talk a bit about your journey, right, and comparing it to the time kudlala nina, Michael. The how were things handled? Because we're looking at the history, right? History did not have much of an admin issue, right? But it was again what Junior is saying, Guti, there was always a challenger development, right? And then I'm a coach azayo. Uyeza aibegela makumela kubege nayo gayegwa. When you guys were still playing football, what things were in place that are not in place now? In terms of structure, in terms of the road to the World Cup, in terms of the road to maybe participating even bakubize squadini.
And but manje masingabheka manje compared to nasadlala la manje like mongabheka manje if football like sikhule kakhulu nhlanhla like there's a lot manje in football because if ungacheka thina masadlala besadlala kungana ma equipment uyabona manje ama coach ubona ehlele benchini bahlele nawo nescreen yana sabo manje that time isinganazo into ezinjalo but iqiniso nhlanhla kumele silibheke nge South African football net one leyo nhlanhla ngeke sirobota sathanda rasithandi we need to go back to the development structures because into engikhala ngayo ngithi if you can check nabo Pirates, Chiefs, Sundowns okay khane manje babona lamalo ntuza ama development but we need inhlanhla ukuthi like let's say we are talking about development we are not talking about ukuthi uqala udevelop umuntu ana 11 or 12 because if ungacheka lama player khulele lokushini a develop one Those are the coaches
Guys, sure.
But tell me about those coaches. Bana a right education to develop a proper way to develop these players.
And understanding ukuthi phambili mele bayenze.
Because you find the coach ayazi the safety for abantwana, because once you do it license, this is the introduction abakufaka nganye child safety, talking about child safety into ezikanjani. Find the case ukuthi umuntu ukhulise 6-year-old kick off. You understand? Because these kids now banama size wabo amabhola which kumele bawasebenzise. Into enokukhala ngayo ukuthi like mina ngakhula isafa. Those are the coaches that we should help them on Ndlandla. In terms of ukuthi let's give them like free education. Let's give them mhlambe u-C or u-D no C. Sazi ukuthi okay, even the coaches abaselokishini, because ekugcineni angeke sibalekele Ndlandla. Ama-aftercares ayabhadala, but those coaches, they're not getting anything in Ndlandla. At the end of the day, ama-players wabo ayathathwa, they're not getting anything in Ndlandla. You understand? So that's why uzogcina sothola i-football manje, ama-players manje, coaches bayenza ukuthi ama-player abhadala. And then ayibulala i-football kakhulu lento leyo ngithola wona Ndlandla. So masingacheka nje manje thina into ekumele siyenze, we need to do the right things. Sa family phampa imali in terms of this development. Sazi ukuthi noma i-player develop elokishini layo, but the coach that is developing him knowledge. It's like ngisa umntana wami ku-after care, but lo muntu akayanga esikolweni uzomnika kanjani umntana wami knowledge about isikole ngithola Ndlandla. So yizo ezinye izinto ezisibeka emuva in terms of, but uma unga-check i-South Africa in terms of infrastructure nani athina like we are Europe Ndlandla. But the problem is one with our development asithathe serious.
Sure. And other countries too.
Amongst France, I was playing for Strasbourg. I was playing for under 15. Under 6 Academia where they start from under 6. Imagine Ndlandla 11 years. With the proper development. Imagine really if he was developed from the age 6. If it's all a proper development. Ngabe school manje ukuthi spend some time on the money Ndlandla.
Na babola mini yamal.
You understand? Monga check uyamali history yakhe ukuthi develop from which age. That's why manje afika kula khona seka strong, but still 18 or 19.
Yeah, still
but
very young.
Ngathi it's a big player ngithola. Proper development lengeke sibaleke Ndlandla. Whether sathanda or sathanda.
Because Germany, I remember Mabazo winner World Cup, the previous World Cup that they won. They had 2014. They had a 10-year plan in place. They had a goal. Okay, in the next 10 years, we want to win the World Cup. So they're giving themselves 10 years figure to actually win. Not that they want to participate and get somewhere. The plan is to win. And that's exactly what happened. So Tina, we don't even have those structures in place. Exactly. The philosophy that you always talk about, the goal, you're good, okay, sharp. See, le 2026, but good 2036, komele see win a World Cup. Let's start now. Let's develop, like you're saying, with us developing from the age of 6, from the age, whichever age, so that we are able to compete with the Yamin Lamal Abazayo. Right? Ukuthi nathi we stand a chance to actually compete at that level. Ngabafana bancane, ngabafana that are properly developed. So inking, I think it's more than that, where we lack the planning, the structure, and to actually see the plan through. I don't know if you guys remember, there was a Vision 2022 that SAFA had. Do you remember Uti Pelelepi?
Because
there was a Vision 2022 after hosting the World Cup 2013, 2014, it was running. Good to know we have a Vision 2022 and this is what we'd like to achieve. What happened?
Yeah, Vision akakusukuthi ukukhuluma Ndlandla, because njengoba monga check now la German la ukhuluma ngawo about le nto le Ndlandla, like kuba nama structures abakhona Ndlandla, like njengoba kusho they gave them ukuthi okay thina kule nto uze so sifuna ukusponsoriswa. But eSouth Africa bheka njengamanje Ndlandla bekumele kanonke isquad babiza abantu aba-extra bahamba bohlambalaza abantu lapha thina sithi sifuna ukuba ready kuyocompete for the World Cup. Like iziningi into esizenza Ndlandla ezi-wrong. That's why mina bengisho last ngithi lento ngisayisho namanje Ndlandla. Football president. Mina were a president, a cricket president yan. People should vote for that thing Ndlandla. Because the public should vote Ndlandla. Because yazi kumnandi ukuthi abantu balo ngomuntu bona bazivotele bona, because Ndlandla ibhola lethu lindawo. If you can check.
Yeah, true.
Lona unga-check Ndlandla sindawo Ndlandla sizoqualify so lokhu cabanga siba i-country, cabanga i-country mase World Cup sifuna nje ukudlula ku-group stage. Imagine Ndlandla abantu they are ambition ukuthi bawine
World Cup.
Imagine thina sesen-ambition ukuthi sidlule ku-group stage. Asinayo kusho ukuthi asiziboni sukula stage.
Asiziboni siku-quarter final.
Yayibona, wrong mentality Ndlandla. And the South Africa njengoba ngisho Ndlandla South Africa ndlandla played in Europe ndlandla mangicheka South Africa ne-Europe ndlandla there's no much difference ukuthi Europeans bona into mabantu they implement it ndlandla if you can check academy there we have a contract academy player liyakhona imagine ndlandla you're playing under 15 but you have a contract makupheli uyangunderstand ukuthi now player bakufundisa ubredi nezo sesemncane
nemali we understand usasemncane yeah
so you come to South Africa yabona ukuthi lento was the problem ngayo uzobamba imali sona 21 ayizokudlula ndlandla ayizokudlula ndlandla so njoba ngisho ukuthi thina the problem about thina in South African football is too much corruption leyo singamane singafuni ukuyisho too much corruption because noma singacheka there were funds in Uganda that were allocated in terms of developing in 2010
from FIFA
kwenza ngalini asibonanga next even njengoba ngisho ukuthi ipola lethu enhlanhla yizi imali bekumele ngabe zambile zokunceda those coaches emalokishini abazosinika boreyila abaningi you understand but manje sesilinde property ukuthi imagine enhlanhla ukuthi sinama youngster ingakho South Africa they can't all be developed by Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns, those PSL teams
100% yeah
so we need ukuthi naselokishini even if there's 10 teams we know ukuthi they've got proper coaches abantu abazosinika proper players because amaningi amatime njalo lifuna ukupolish at the early age enhlanhla
because when you look at rugby every chance they get, like I mean the rugby season ivuliwe and they started on an opening bawina because they've had what you always talk about, the continuity is there. They're able to win titles back to back. I mean, like Tina, like usho ukuthi sijabulela ukuthi hayi masingadlula nje ku group stages. So our lack of ambition as well iyo ebulala i-development yethu nokuthi singaya phambili, because even the mentality yabafana ukuthi mabathi bona noma suka la hayi abona masingadlula kuma group stages sesiphelele, you know what I mean, or in Mexico better yet masingadla in Mexico our job is done. But that's not where it even starts. You know, you're supposed to start thinking okay masingadlula i-quarter final, then we can start talking.
Yeah, understand. But mo cheka vele Nhlanhla njengoba ngitshela ayithina Nhlanhla man. Beka njengamanje kule World Cup. Monga cheka ama youngsters esidlala ngawo. I choose ukuthi kuyabonisa ukuthi asinayo enye vision na for the next World Cup because bokuyi chance yabo borile. It's all about ukuthi that's why ngisho ukuthi as a SAFA when you bring in a coach umuntu ozoba na long vision umtshela ukuthi okay it's not all about ukuthi ngiwine manje
or qualify manje. Yeah.
But mina ngifuna ukuthi sibuild a team together ezo sustain in terms of going forward.
Sure.
Asifuni because now sizoletha coach manje after the World Cup we bring in another new coach. Sifuna ngalo coach ukuthi izodlala isurvive qualify. Sometimes us push under 23 dlala yona. Ngiyahambe udlala le World Cup sibona ukuthi okay now we are building. Sikhuluma ngabafana bazozuphinda futhi babuye bayenza amandla.
Baye kuyo leyo World Cup again, yeah.
But still sizoya ngabantu abadala siphume eli asina vision. Shuthi sazophuma manje shuthi makuphela ngale World Cup le we must start again so build from from scratch. Kanti i World Cup kumele ngabe sinekani iplan ukuthi okay from la we have a core manje. We are building around this team manje. Continue to
or sizolanda le squad sa under 20 under 17 to actually take them to the next World Cup.
Into as Michael asho, when you bring a coach, you need a coach and a vision. As asho, a coach that will work with these junior international coaches under 20 under 20 under 20 under 17 under 15 under the national team. Philosophy fun.
Yeah.
And now ngoba Nhlanhla mawungabheka history ikhuluma iyazikhuluma. iSpain must win 2010. Lama player win i-2010 World Cup, ama player badlala ku Euro wonke. Yeah, Vincent Delaboschi the coach said, and mina ngifene Brazil, but Spain is the second country. I like players ama team adlala bola, technically very good movement of the ball.
Yeah.
Allow my player to be individual as well. So Spain 2008. If not mistaken, or 2006, I can't remember. I'm a player wonky core. We in 2010. They played there, and then I'm a player they lost Euro, and then they brought them those players. Good 2010 they won, and then you believe in Nhlanhla. When you have got a coach and a believe as a sponsor,
sure.
I shake it very easy. I'm a male number one.
Yeah.
You understand? Michael mentioned about that cool. Only SAFA brought the coach when they bring a coach in South Africa. Balegi good basebenze hand in hand a coach. And the coaches of an vision as Michael and yabo the coaches emphasize with the development in South Africa. It's not all about the results. kunale tendency ama-results ku-development yonke coach under 12 asinankinga everybody want to ngisho ku-development but we talking about i-development it's a future i-future nhlanhla i-development is about ukwenza into ezi-right kuya-regifya la angithi kuyapreparwa ifana ne-foundation ama-results kula-ke mhlambe to the senior side because last time ngiba noFarouk la we-mention this thing and I've been saying mina kuma-interview aphayo ukuthi development is not all about the results. Yes, funa ukuwina sonke, but development you need to. It's about nurturing the talent. You understand? Abantwana who understand ama principles of game. Yabo enenye into nhlanhla culture, lente political corruption. People who are running even this certificate and stuff, njoba abanika ama coaches this certificate and ithi like yabona nje corruption yokuthi to get the D license abantu abafundisa labo bantu. Even the C license. Not in a between nhlanhla ngiyaxolisa kunabanye abantu aba-qualified but when you check the coaches got so many certificate manje mawumbheke egroundini i-team idlala ngisho the development and then you start wondering ukuthi
what's happening,
yabo corruption yabo so ya nhlanhla kune-jive eSouth Africa kakhulu.
All right, okay, now that we are off to play a decider, do or die game, South Africa versus South Korea. You've already said we are coming back. We are Themba Mshishi out. Usithole Umkwena is not going to be playing there as well. Sabaphumile because of suspensions and all of those things. Looking at the giant that we are facing. Now we are facing a Goliath. We are going to be the David and we've got a Goliath to beat. And you are saying, Guti, we don't have the stone that we need to beat the Goliath. Again, I'm going to ask you, are we going to win? Are we going to lose this game?
Nhlanhla ibhola anything can happen. Yabo we can't say I'm a South African.
Yeah.
Probably South African and lento bengisho kuseMexico umkhuluma noNkululeko ngibuza ngithi thina isikolo ngihlala ngikhuluma noThabiso mala sathi isikolo siqala ku-matric sifuna into sometimes sifuna uNkulunkulu ama-miracle. Yes, there is anything can happen, especially Korea. Now they lost against in Mexico 1-0, but they missed so many chances. They played better compared to I think Maupegi game, I think Koreans they were better. And that's for me. Tlantla. For me, I'm going to be easy game for both teams. Yabona ukudliwa kweKorea ngalela langa against Mexico. Yabona if you win, I mean Korea, I was wishing with Korea win. Mara ukudliwa kwayo now iletha more pressure to us because into abazoyenza bona if they play draw, if I'm not mistaken, they qualify. Ngoba mina ngebelieve yami last game check Republic they are going to lose. That's for me. I think last game lebo idlala. Team against the Korean Atlanta is going to be difficult. Honestly, ngizokutshela nje VAR mangithi bazobuya bachita. I'm looking at the draw. 1-1 or possibly Korea win 2-1. It's going to be serious. Intensity high from the first whistle until the end. Bodlala kanjalo those people and they are prepared psychologically. Thina sodlala ngama moment lapha nhlanhla. Yes, noma ngabe uyayifaka ama taking, I don't think we're ready man for the standard. That's for me. There's a lack of quality in us as well. As much as we ngibonile better compared to the game le Mexico, le game besidlalile check. But check everybody kule group I think angayidla. I need to be honest. So, being realistic now.
So we won't be in the last three because I guess it's the last three that qualifies. Yeah. So you're saying that we don't have what it takes to even be in the last three.
Tlantla, best number 3, the best number 3. You mean that? Yeah, mhlawumbe uNkulunkulu lo musanga wenza. Angithi ngi South African nginale hope. But manje ngifisa reality. Possibility ukuthi Korea isidle.
Michael, we're looking at, like you're saying, sesifuna ukuba number 3. Ukuthi sidlule.
Tlantla kule situation esikiyo manje akusena ukuthi sizoba number 3 ukuthi sidlule. Akase number 3 Tlantla. If you check like igroup ime kanjani manje for the best number 3 asena ile ndaba the chance because asinawo ama point angathi mhlambe sithi masidlala draw because if you play draws phelela ku 2 point.
If we win,
so akunakuthi Nhlanhla into edinga eMzansi they need to win Nhlanhla.
But if we win, do we have what it takes, Michael, ukuthi sibe last number 3 bese siyadlula? Because we need to win against Korea.
Nhlanhla maswina soba number 2.
If we win number 2
maswina soba number 2 ngeke sobe sidlela ama
Oh yes, so besidla ama Korean, yeah.
So that's why ngisho ngithi for South Africa manje asenayo lento ukuthi for best number 3 manje the only option is
ukuthi swin.
Because if we play draw we're going to sit on 2 points and then more check ala amanye groups do you think abo number 3 abantu number 3 manje ama group are locked abantu bana 3 points Nhlanhla into engikhale kakhulu esifaye kule nto lesikiyo namhlanje ile game eMexico Nhlanhla imagine if swine kule game eMexico dlala namhlanje ngabe siku 4 point ngabe sodlala le game lento ishoyo
confidently
ukuthi we are qualified but manje mina yoliwa phela ndokhumbule a must win nama Koreans ona phela nalento ukuthi wona ngeke abe desperate njengathi because bona draw it favors them they won 4 points, you understand so thina vele mina siyulawut Nhlanhla
and the key players abekho.
Yeah.
Ngabona Mkwena losing.
But isn't it time for other players now to raise their hands?
It depends ukuthi sikhuluma ngama preparation yabo. Phela Mkwena we playing against him. Sengisho ama preparations with details abe ku star player, key player. Umbonile la ngale game uthathe responsibility yabo ne scored the penalty. Yeah, Michael right, the best number 3 is going to be difficult. If draw Nhlanhla 2 points and yes checking a 1 izoba nzima kakhulu. How many kulama group wabonile thathi kanjani right Michael sengisho amanye ama team ucoach akanacha with nama player wakhe he need to win the game and for me it's izoba mountain to climb. I know anything can happen in football but the Koreans coming there izoba nzima kakhulu because uYugo Bros into engimbonile ushana ku rally game man njengale game le umkhiphelana Maseko because beyangayibina le game le ugcina ngisho Maseko I think enye imshaya ku starting 11 kuphela noma you know noma ngitwenza ngamabomu sometimes I think nokurida nje game the coach ibona lapho ngifunda igame that's why the word ngiphinde ngicompliment bengidoubt amarim ngimcomplimenta ngokugeleza game yabona reading the coach leyo uyuko Pros ngale game le uyokhipha lo mfana Maseko a player oyi bekuyi-threat ngithi threat beyangaswinela leya game Nhlanhla ame-eliminate coach afake imidlefet extra so coach wakho bona ukuthi this game zoba nzima Nhlanhla.
All right, I guess all of us are going to be up at 3 a.m. watching Bafana Bafana play, hoping that Bafana Bafana not just plays but wins this one. It is a much needed win for South Africa. We'll be back next week and see how far we are as a country. Are we going to the group stages or are we coming back home? Thank you so much for watching, subscribing and liking on the comment. This episode was brought to you by World Sports Betting. #BetWithTheBest. #WSB. Danke sehr bon.